Now here we need to find the cos hyperbolic inverse x value. What is its value? Now let's consider this equals to, okay, let's consider let cos of hyperbolic inverse x equals to y. This implies if I multiply cos hyperbolic on both sides, cos hyperbolic and cos hyperbolic inverse gets cancelled. What we have? I have x equals to cos hyperbolic y. Okay. What is cos hyperbolic y? By formula e raised to y, cos hyperbolic is plus here, e raised to minus y upon 2. Okay. Since hyperbolic is there, so all I will not come over here. Okay. Otherwise, if it is cos y in terms of e, here it is to come I. Okay. Now let's multiply, cross multiply here. Okay. This same as 2x is implies 2x equals to e raised to y plus e raised to minus y. Okay. What you can do, you can multiply e raised to y on both sides so that e raised to minus y and e raised to y get cancelled. Otherwise, you can use by indices property. E raised to minus y is same as 1 by e raised to y. Since you can use this property, by using this property e raised to y plus this is 1 by e raised to y. Okay. Let's take LCM. E raised to y the whole square plus 1 into e raised to y. On the left hand side we have twice x. Cross multiply this, we have twice x e raised to y is equals to e raised to y whole square plus 1. Okay. Now here it is quadratic in e raised to y. Let's write one step over here. Let's bring this that side, e raised to y whole square minus, if I bring that side, become twice x e raised to y plus 1 is equals to 0. Instead of plus, I can write here minus of minus. Okay, here instead of minus, you can write here plus of, you can keep like this. Okay. Now it is in quadratic. Okay, quadratic in e raised to y, okay. Here if you compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, this quadratic equation, its roots are minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Comparing with this, now my a equals to 1 because here constant term is here. Here my b equals to, here b is what? B is 1 minus twice x and c equals to 1, comparing with this. Okay. Now let's apply this here, minus b, the roots here, roots of x. Okay, here roots of ey, here you can say roots of, or you can say values of e raised to y is equals to minus b, here minus of minus twice x plus minus b square twice x the whole square minus 4a means what c means. Okay, upon twice a, here twice a. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2. Now minus plus over here, I will get here twice x plus minus square root of here 2x. Okay, here 4x square I will get 4x square minus 4 upon 4. Okay, sorry 2. Here I can take 4 common. Okay, here if I take 4 common, then x square minus 1. Okay, here twice x plus minus, if I take 4 common, then if I take outside it become a 2, become square root x square minus 1. Okay. Why? I think I should write over here. I will write 4 square root of x square minus 1. Okay. Now if I am taking, now square root of 4 into this is what? Square root of 4 into square root of x square minus 1. Square root of 4 is what? 2. Okay. Now upon 2, from numerator I can take 2 outside, 2 common. Here 2 plus minus this. Then this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So I have x plus minus x square minus 1. This is what? My e raised to y. Okay. Now e raised to y, e raised to x, okay, remember e raised to x is what, always positive, okay, always positive, okay. Now here we have two functions, here plus or minus, okay. Now if you choose minus over here, this is going to be a negative, okay. Let's take a log, on taking log on both sides, what we have, log of e raised to y is equals to log of x plus minus x square minus 1, okay. Now for plus is fine, okay, here for, but x should be greater than equals to 1, okay, is domain. Domain of x should be greater than equals to 1 over here, okay. For plus, let's see, okay. For minus, okay, if it is minus, then since log is there, minus will come, it's going to have a problem, okay. Therefore, we have only plus over here, but domain should be what? X should be greater than equals to 1, okay. Log of e raised to y is same as log and e gets cancelled, we have only y, okay. Therefore this is equals to log of x plus square root of x square minus 1, okay. This is the required answer.